Hi Dan, hope you're doing well today. I'm just reading your first draft and I have some comments for you. So first thing is your header is a little bit small. So remember that it should be, this is 051 by the way, winter 17. Okay, and then on the next line, you're going to have the title of the assignment, which is opinion paragraph, second draft. Okay. And make sure your header is single space. To do that, select it all, right click, click on paragraph, okay, and click this button here. Don't add space between paragraphs of the same style. And you'll see how that shrinks that up here. You'll want a little space there. Your title, I'm glad you have one, but it's not specific enough. Okay, immigration is a huge topic as we've talked about, so be more specific in your title. And the biggest question I have is about your topic sentence. So I'm thinking that this is your topic sentence. The developed countries have the ability and responsibility to help refugees. But there are a lot of sentences before that. All good stuff, but I think it's too much before the topic sentence. We want our topic sentence a little bit closer to the beginning of the paragraph. Like this, for example, the most important reason is war. It's an interesting fact, but I don't know if it's really relevant to your topic. So I would delete that sentence. This sentence I don't really understand, to be honest, so please rephrase that or clarify that for me. This is a nice sentence transitioning into your topic sentence. So what I would do is delete these two sentences, and that'll help you get right into your topic sentence in a little bit quicker time, which will be good. But if this is your topic sentence, they have ability and responsibility to help refugees, the rest of your paragraph needs to give me the reasons why do we have the responsibility to help refugees. Right now, it doesn't really answer that question. So my question is, if this is your topic, that developed countries have a responsibility to help refugees, then the rest of your paragraph is going to tell me why. Why do we have a responsibility? Right now, you're kind of giving me facts about how we're helping refugees, like helping them finding a job, getting them educated, place to live, things like that. And then the consequences if we don't, which is a good point. But then you talk about how it's a really big problem in these countries and that we need to stop war and help them build their own countries. But in this paragraph, I never really get an answer to that question of why. And this should be your supporting details. So if you go back to your outline, which is right here, okay, you have some interesting thoughts. We have to be able to help other countries. We should help each other. They should assume international responsibilities and obligations, but why? Why should we do that? But then you didn't really ever talk about this economic pressure to the country, but I don't think it's relevant, honestly, to your topics. I wouldn't talk about that. Again, I don't really see an answer to that question. So that's your biggest task today, is answering the question of why do we have a responsibility to help refugees, and that's going to be your whole argument. So I hope that helps you. A couple of grammatical things to look at here in the yellow, and then right here you have a fragment. But the biggest thing to focus on is asking yourself, do my supporting details actually support my topic sentence or not? And right now they don't, so you need to work on that today, okay? All right, well, let me know if you have any questions and have fun today. Thanks.